If you want to add or remove widgets on your lock screen on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all, open up your settings. After that, we're gonna scroll down right to our wallpaper and style section. So now tap on your lock screen option, and here you gotta press add widgets. Tap here, you'll see the list of the widgets which you can add here. For example, let's add our battery. So choose your battery option. Now choose what you want to use, which style would you want to use, this one or this one. Let's add up this one. And when you're tapping on it, as you see, the widgets are added. To delete widget from here, simply tap on it and it will disappear. Also, you can set up something like this so you can combine your widgets. When you're done, simply press done. And basically that's it. Now, if we're gonna open up our lock screen, we'll see our new widgets. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.